Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So this is the latest update of Vechain coin, and what's the price prediction in upcoming 7 days? There is a chance to they take a jump or not. Everything we discuss about Vechain, my friend, and this video. But first of all, I'm going to show you the latest update, my friends. Vechain, a big update is not available, especially your Twitter and Google. I search more and more, but there is not available, my friend. Not just good update. You can see this time last 1 hour update. I'm going to show you the price, the chain account. You can see here plus 0.33%. They moving upwards, so definitely congratulations. But this is short jump, my friends. Try to understand, this is short fast. I cannot give you a fake advice, fake news, my brother. So therefore you can see here I 100% clearly tell you, my brother, this is short jump, so don't see this, my brother. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. You can see this time they fell us down. They take a jump for a short time, but if we can see, my brother, the last average, the last 7 days. Let's see, my brother. Then absolutely we understand. Can upcoming 7 days there is a chance to they will wake up and they move upward. You can see this time they fell us down. So it's a short jump in the last 1 hour. So don't see the short jump if you are a long-term investor, especially if you are a short-term investor. Then when they take this type jump, then absolutely it's a time to use starting selling. So try to understand. You can see here this time Vechain is wake up. This is the last 7 days. You can see a chart is on the screen. And this week, my friend, in the start of this week, all crypto market is wake up, and every cryptocurrency is wake up and take a very good jump. So but after this, my friend, you can see they face down. So what's the main reason to they take a jump, and what's the main reason to all crypto market is fails down again now? Not just Vechain, all crypto market. The main reason is that they take a jump because at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. But definitely when a holder starting selling at the end of month, especially short-term investor, so they come to zero, their price is going very badly down. So therefore you can see here the main reason is that they fell down, and the second reason is that to my brother at the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down. So therefore in the upcoming 7 days, the first week of this month, there is no chance to they wake up and they're moving upward. It's a lucky drama. They are lucky, and absolutely I hope they will take a very good jump. My expectation is very good from Vechain. So I hope, my friend, upcoming time they take off. But our prediction, our formulas tell us this, my friend. To in upcoming 7 days there is my friends 50% chance to they falls down. So try to understand, my brothers, to also 50% chance to they moving upward. So now don't sell it, hold it. And if you are a long-term investor, then absolutely don't see this short fail, because if you starting selling in this time exactly, you cannot make a good money or other. So try to understand, don't sell it. And please, you also share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.